In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to edit the checkout page in Shopify. Let's get started. First, launch your Shopify. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the left hand side, you're going to find the option of settings at the bottom. You'll need to click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now, from this list of options, select checkout. Once you're in the checkout page, you can customize these options. Customer accounts, optional or required. Customer contact methods, phone or email address. Tipping options, abandoned checkout emails, and order processing settings. Likewise, you can also edit appearance. From your admin, go to online store, themes, and click customize on your active theme. In the top drop-down, select checkout. From there, you can change your logo, edit background colors, adjust button styles, set font and text colors. The small changes go a long way to make your checkout match your brand. If you're not on Shopify Plus, your options are a bit limited, but you can still extend your checkout experience with Shopify apps like upsell pop-ups, post-purchase offers, or custom fields. Just head to the Shopify App Store, search for checkout customization, and install the ones you need. And that's it. That's how you edit your Shopify checkout page, from simple design tweaks to advanced customization with Shopify Plus. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.